Well, thank you all very much. First, we want to start off by saying thank you to the DOT, our folks at Department of Transportation, our emergency responders, our folks manning our emergency response center have really done a tremendous job prepping for the storm. We knew this storm has been coming for a couple days. We've gotten the word out, but now it's time to make sure that we're keeping everyone safe as the intensity really hits us. First and foremost, be safe, be smart. We want folks to know that while we are not shutting down government, we are not shutting down business. If you can stay off the roads, stay off the roads. If you have to be out there, go slow. Give yourself that extra time. Give a little extra room to the plows that are out there. We have over 500 plows out there today, making sure that our roads are going to be safe. We have municipal plows, so just be cautious as we go forward with our daily lives. This is New Hampshire. We're always pretty smart about it, but don't take anything for granted, even in the Granite State. Also, we want to remind folks to, when they're out there, check on neighbors, whether they might be elderly or loved ones that might be around. If you have the extra time today, do a neighbor check, knock on a door, give a phone call, just make sure that folks are okay, making sure that folks have heat and the resources that they need. It's going to be a very fast moving but very intense storm. It's not just the road conditions that we're worried about, it's the whiteout conditions that can cause a lot of havoc that maybe some folks might not be anticipating, but as we hit these midday hours, noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, the whiteout conditions are going to get very, very intense. The crews are out there, they're doing a great job. Hopefully the storm will be past us by this evening. We'll be cleaned up and really raring to go for what will likely be a very, very strong weekend in the North Country for New Hampshire. So it provides a lot of opportunity, but we got to be safe and we got to get through the storm.
Yeah, I was just wondering, I mean, it's still pretty early, but you've had sightings of major accidents, or how are the roads?
The roads are looking very good right now. They really are. I think people, again, it's New Hampshire, people have been smart about knowing what's coming forward. We haven't had too many major accidents, but obviously there are some out there. Most of the accidents we're seeing are just people going off the road or maybe needing a tow out of a snowbank. The other thing I want to grab onto is following a storm like this, we have a lot of wind. And so people need to be cautious that while the storm will clear tonight, we will clear the roads. As the winds come in over the next 24 to 48 hours, we're going to have some snowdrift issues as well. So again, when you're on those roads, please be wary of that. I mean, those snowdrifts seem to come up and grab your tires at times when you're least expecting.
And so you said that the storm should pass, so tomorrow morning you should be up there and ready to go?
My sense is that tomorrow's morning's commute, we should be in pretty good shape. Now, we do have another storm tracking in over the weekend for Saturday, Sunday, and a little bit into Monday. That'll drop a little bit here and a little bit there, especially up in the North Country. So we'll be watching that as well. But my guess is the commute tomorrow will be fairly decent. But again, you have to take nothing for granted. We'll be out all night making sure that the roads are clear, especially the municipalities that might need some extra help. We'll be there for them as well. We'll be salting and making sure that any follow-on freeze is really taken care of as well.